Indication of contact lens use. There are several indications of contact lens use: optical indication, therapeutic indication, preventive indication, diagnostic indication, operative indication, cosmetic indication, and occupational indication. First is optical indication. In optical indication, anisometropia, unilateral aphakia, high myopia, keratoconus, and irregular astigmatism. Optically, they can be used by every patient having refractive error or for cosmetic purpose. Advantages of contact lens over spectacle. Irregular corneal astigmatism, which is not possible to correct with glasses, can be corrected with contact lenses. Contact lenses provide normal field of vision. Aberration associated with spectacle are eliminated. Binocular vision can be retained in high anisometropia due to the less magnification of retinal image. Rain and fog do not condense upon contact lenses as they do not spectacle. Cosmetically more acceptable, especially by female and all patients with thick glasses in high refractive error. Second indication is therapeutic indication. In therapeutic indication, first corneal disease. In non-healing corneal ulcer, bullous keratopathy, filamentary keratitis, and recurrent corneal erosion syndrome. Second, disease of iris such as aniridia, coloboma, and albinism to avoid glare. Third, in glaucoma as a vehicle for drug delivery. Fourth, in amblyopia, opaque contact lenses are used for occlusion. Fifth, bandage soft contact lenses are used for following keratoplasty in microcorneal perforation. Third indication is preventive indication. In preventive indication include prevention of symblepharon and restoration of phoresis in chemical burn, exposure keratitis, and trichiasis. We use contact lenses. Fourth indication is diagnostic indication. In diagnostic indication include use during gonioscopy, electroretinography, examination of fundus in presence of irregular corneal astigmatism, fundus photography, and Goldman's 3-mirror examination. Fifth indication is operative indication. Contact lenses are used during goniotomy operation for congenital glaucoma, vitrectomy, and endocular photocoagulation. Sixth indication is a cosmetic indication include unsightly corneal scar, ptosis, and cosmetic scleral lenses in thesis bulbi. Seventh indication is occupational indication include use by sportsmen, pilots, and actors.